going on, guys? I'm going to show you a very basic video of how to do your oil change on your 2022 Audi RS7 4.0T twin turbo. Bad bitty, of course. But I got a little treat for you because all you guys want to know. If I suck the oil from the top, how much oil is left in the bottom of the oil pan. So we're going to go ahead and suck it from the top, raise it up, drop the oil pan bolt, and find out how much is left over. Stay tuned. We need 10 quarts of oil, have a little extra, who knows why, because I like to spill stuff. That being said, I have an Audi oil filter, OEM. Don't go any other route, guys. Don't even save a couple pennies. Seriously, it's made for this car. Just use Audi OEM. Moving forward, I have a brand new oil crush washer with the bolt itself. So let's dive into this video and get it going. All right. Now, before we get started, you're gonna need an oil sucker from Harbor Freight, wherever you want to get it from. You can pump it by hand. I like using my air compressor, not my body. Next up, you're gonna go ahead and warm the car up to full operating temperature. You're gonna want it on a level ground, as it already is. So go ahead and pop the oil cap off just a little bit so it can suck air through the top of the engine down into the, obviously, oil pan, and then suck the oil through there. Let me show you guys where this thing is. You see that right there? That is. All right, so your noose, stick this through there. You do not want to break this, so probably move this off to the side here. Now we got a nice, good spot. Put this here so you guys can see. Don't stab yourself. I'm going to stab myself. I can feel it, so let's try another route. There we go. Do not drop it down there. Stick it right on that. Keep it on that. All right. Now, guys, this is going to get very loud. All you got to do is wipe this off. Turn the sucker on because you want to make sure it's sucking any debris that's already in there. You don't want to put debris in the engine. Again, pop this oil cap. Actually, before you do, wipe it off. That stuff doesn't get in there. All right. Pop the oil cap just a smidge, see, like that. All right, go ahead and connect your air hose. It's gonna get very loud here, so sorry. Again, wipe the hose down. Now you're gonna get to the bottom, you can push through. There we go. While that's going, top your oil filter off. All right, so now that you can hear it's kind of done, what you do, look in the hose. I'm not seeing anything. Go again, slowly down. See, I'm stuck at the bottom. Kind of just gotta, like that, go back down. All right, that's it. Have a rag so you don't fling oil everywhere. Back into place. There we go. Next thing we're gonna do is focus on the oil filter here. We're gonna look for some shiny things that'll lead to bad stuff. So, what's they gotta say? Filter looks clean. Go ahead and toss that. Wipe your hands down. The biggest thing about the oil change, guys, is to make sure we don't put contamination inside the engine as we're trying to flush it out. So, focus on cleanliness is key. So again, I'm not going to use this rag to clean that out. This is nice and clean. It's good. No shavings. dump that out. Just gonna clean out any debris. Try not to put or use like a paper towel. You'll get little shrapnels in there, so that's good there. Leave that alone. Pop this off. You want to clean the mating surface here. Yeah, you fricker. Clean your hands for the fourth time. All right, oil filter time. Start with the gasket. Get some oil on your finger. Lube that seal up just a little bit, nothing excessive, just so it'll slide in and not cut the seal. Best way is like this. All right, guys, don't make the mistake of watch this, accidentally putting it in this groove. Okay. Put it all the way down at the bottom here. There we go. Nice, good seal. Clean your hands for the fifth time. All right, these are both the same sides. Lube up the O-ring in there so it slips on. Push it in, good to go. Clean your hands for the sixth time. So we're gonna go ahead and put the filter in. While we do that, let's clean the cap off real quick. There's that. All right, let's go over there. Put the filter in. You do not need to put oil here because it's just gonna go straight down into the pan. So again, filter's in there. Go ahead, stick it in. Usually it says 25 Newton meters. All right, personally me, I think that's gonna be 25, but I'm gonna get a torque wrench on it and see how good my hands are. All right, here's 25. How close do you think I got it? Oh, that right there, see that difference? It's white torquing. Good, done. So we have a T45. We got a cup. Let's find out what's in it. Oh, she's ready to go already. All right, here we go. And there you guys have it. Oh gosh, I can't catch it all. Oh my gosh, who designed that? Why would it go out like that? Seriously? All right, guys, here's the verdict. This is how much oil will come out of your car if you decide to suck it from the top. You might get a little more, a little less, but yeah, how do you feel about it? Red Solo cup full. It's not the worst. It's still a good amount left over, but we'll let you make that choice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and torque this down to apparently 30 Newton meters. I don't know how I feel about that. Kind of seems excessive, but let's feel it out. Let's see what this bolt is saying here. Again, 30 Newton meters, T45. I mean, that's it. It's snug. Don't strip that, guys, please. 30 Newton meters, T45. Let's go fill it up now. On to the last part of this whole dealio. Grab some rags. I decided to go with the liquid moly 5W40. Why? Because I'm about to obviously take the car to the maximum, pushing it very hard. You know, there are all these oils you guys can run. You have your own opinion. That's cool. This just works, gets it done. I've had no issues, knock on wood. So, that being said, this is my choice. Do you. I'm not liable for anything you guys do to your car. You got it. That being said, let's go ahead and dump this in here. We're gonna start the car up for about 5 seconds here, just to make sure we have no leaks anywhere. That being said, you're not gonna show your oil level on the car yet because it's not gonna be warmed up. So don't worry about that. We'll take it for a drive. We'll monitor the oil level. So let's go ahead and start the car up. Again, make sure your oil cap's tight. We've already torqued that. To torque the bottom bolt, and this is in. We're good to go. You have 10 quarts in there. Probably 9.8. Just didn't want to overfill it, so I'll check in that later. We don't have any leaks there. No leaks there. And I'm not draining on the ground. Good job. Now it's time to pop your engine cover back on. Beautiful, sexy Audi. There we go. We are done under the hood. All right, guys, so you have officially put the oil in the car. You started it up, and now you warmed the car up. It's at least to 160, and your coolant temperature is up to temperature. You can go and press home, vehicle, service and settings, just to let you know it's over here. Obviously, oil level, boom. That might take a little bit to come up. Just wait for it and it'll do it with key on, engine off. Then while you're at it, service intervals, I've already reset mine. Go ahead and just reset it. Yep, I've already done, boom. There you go, guys. You've officially changed your oil, reset your service light. Start tuning your car. Let's go. Just to go over the tools we used here today. You don't need some of these because I took off the belly shield, which is this, the T25, and this is the Torx bit, T45 for the oil pan bolt. You won't need those. I use that to torque it, but you will need, that's to remove the plastics. You will need these guys, a torque wrench. Your obviously wrench to undo the oil filter. Your 32 millimeter with extension, just to make it easier. 90-degree pick. That's really all you guys need. Flashlight and some oil. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just to inform you, what's left in the oil pan, because I've always questioned how much oil is left in the oil pan, and now we know. With that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in, and as always, stay BDT tuned.